Hey guys, we are here at Capitola State Beach and we are here at Capitola Wharf. This is old, around 1857. So let's walk around and see what we can find. Capitola is a small seaside city in Santa Cruz County, California in the United States. It was built on a location of an Indian village that existed for more than 1,000 years. The native inhabitants were removed to the Mission Santa Cruz when it was established in 1791. Nearly all traces of the Soquel Rancheria and its culture vanished. In the Mexican era that followed, the territory became part of the Soquel Rancho, granted to Martina Castro and her husband Michael Lodge in 1833. California became a state in 1850 and Santa Cruz County was formed in the same year. Shortly before, German immigrant Friedrich Hinn, pioneer credited with developing much of the county's early industry, acquired the site of present-day Capitola Village and environs from the Castro family. As settlers engaged in logging and agriculture, the beach became a busy shipping point known as Soquel Landing. This wharf was built in 1857 and was expanded to 1,200 feet a few years later. There are a couple of restaurants located within the wharf, and Mercy, who is now hungry, is looking for a place to eat. Unfortunately, most of them are closed today. Gradually, a small fishing colony of Italian immigrants settled at its base. Drawn by cool mist and the smooth beach at the mouth of the Soquel Creek, travelers stopped and often stayed as long as they were permitted. Increasingly, vacationers thirsting for a break from hot weather in the Santa Clara Valley found the seashore inviting for an overnight camp. After roads over the summit were built and improved in the mid-1860s, word about the sanctuary reached farther into the state's interior to places like Hollister, Fresno, Modesto, and Stockton. Towns that would in a few years lend their names to the streets of Capitola. Hinn leased the beach flat to Soquel pioneer Samuel A. Hall in 1869. Hall saw the landscape that provided refuge from the summer heat could also be profitable. His foresight created a place known now as the oldest seaside resort on the Pacific coast. Camp Capitola opened in June 1874. It is thought that Hall's daughter Lulu christened Capitola for the heroine featured in popular novels by E.D.E.N. Southworth. The camp's success was guaranteed by passenger service on the Santa Cruz Watsonville Railroad, completed in 1876. Once Capitola prospered, Hinn took over direct control of the enterprise and subdivided lots for sale beginning in 1882. Over time, the old camping spot grew into Capitola by the Sea, a vacation spa with 160-room hotel, hot salt water baths, and electric streetcar service from Santa Cruz. Hinn died in 1913, but his daughter waited until after World War I to sell off the Capitola portion of his estate. Henry Allen Respin, a speculator from San Francisco, bought Capitola in 1919 with plans to build an updated, fashionable haven. Among his ventures were a reconfiguration of the esplanade, construction of the Venetian courts, and the development of a golf course. Overextended and losing his estate to foreclosures by 1927, Respin left Capitola after the start of the Great Depression in 1929 and never returned. Capitola's community of permanent residents stepped forward to guide the town in the following decades. Eventually, the village became the third city in Santa Cruz County after an incorporation election in January 1949. And now we found a place to eat, and I will talk more about it on my next video. This is the El Toro Bravo restaurant. Today, Capitola holds a historical and cultural significance as one of the oldest seaside resorts on the West Coast, blending coastal charm with the legacy of tourism and surf culture that has shaped the region's identity. Alright, until next time, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!